Hi all, and welcome to GrafXQuest.com. This is Lady T. I wanted to show you an idea that I had gotten from Crafty Hodges, which were making these cute, adorable artist trading coins. And not that I'm showing you the coins so much, because you can go to Crafty Hodges on YouTube and pick up how she does them, because they're really fantastic and fun. But what I wanted to show you is the cute, adorable little artist trading coin book that I created looking at different videos. And this collects probably anywhere from 10 to 20 coins, however you want to do it. But anyway, so you just pull the little ribbon, open it up. You slide your little coin in, just like this. And you can position it in anywhere you want. I suggest using maybe even a tacky dot to position it however you want permanently, if you want to keep it in there permanently or not. You can flip the page and put in another dot. Sorry, sticking it in the next one. And so on and so forth. But the fun part about this is that this whole book pops out like this, so that you can actually look at all of your coins at once. And each of the pockets will actually hold more than one, so you can collect several coins if you wish. So you can do more than one coin in each pocket if you want it. And that's pretty much it. Or you can use it as a flip book, however you wish to use it. But it's a great way to collect your coins. Or you can even use it for collecting little notes and secret things like that. So I hope you enjoy that. I made this for the local Motion Fest because I created over 70 artist trading coins and thought it would be a fun way for someone to be able to collect them if they wanted to. So this will be for sale on our website if it doesn't sell at the local Motion Fest. And I want to thank you for joining us here at GrafXQuest.com. Until later, we'll see ya. Have a great day.